You know, want give me a number in case she a murder will lick around there. Or she tell like parents and I got jail.
And so she stay.
Just give me a number in case I want somebody to bail you. Or I want somebody to doctor you. Just give me a number.
And I watch it from start to finish.
Maggy Films.
Maggy.
Everybody ring the alarm. Come make we ring the alarm. I Mr. bring the alarm. Mr. we come here so we kick up a slam. I Mr. bring the alarm. Mr. bring the alarm. I beg you bring the alarm. We come to kick up a slam. Touch the road, everything alright. We are go all a one party tonight. Touch the road, everything alright. We are go shell down a party tonight. Pick up on table, you know the thing go. Money in a pocket, you know the thing go. Yeah, by the side, you know the thing go. Just with a chatty, you know me bingo.
I'll go to Rebecca. I can't believe say Barry, come on, I'm gonna get nothing out tight. The boss is sick, you're crazy. Oh God, son, I'm team.
Auntie Daddy. No, sir, I can't auntie that. Mommy. Auntie Lana come.
Oh, you, go on, so. You tell me now you're running and call your ma. But auntie, I come. Go on and talk about a big people argument.
Oh, you take time talk to me, pick me.
Oi,
Take time talk to me, pick me.
Rebecca.
Take time talk to me, pick me. Now call me name like that. What happen?
Time me call her name.
What happen?
What you mean if you tell me, say, what see ya? A real thing Auntie Susie there say, if Barry really come for you, I'm gonna get nothing out tight.
You're lucky, first come, first serve. You should have there when you're there. Look at now, a empty water in a head. See there, go and go drink it. Go and go drink it.
You know, she say you drink enough already.
That's why me bitch, so I want
You drink enough already.
I'm a tough. You know what? Come out of me yard. 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 Me know me yard. Come out of me yard. Come on.
Hello. You can't push me out of my mother place. No do that.
Hello.
Do that.
Yes, I feel weak, but you don't live here.
You see
You
when
don't live here, no
when
time.
you talk to me, girl, don't push me here because big war is start over. Don't run with.
How did the pepper bismal, gal,
Hear
man?
me, I tell her, I'm to the refugee. I want
to
to
this
start
girl.
over.
Me can't look here. Me not have time for entertain a shenanigans today, you know.
Uncle Ronnie send it barrel. Me have to still have Uncle Ronnie name. I me not get no more tight. 6 months ago, this a barrel a come and me not get no more tight. Look for the barrel. Look for the barrel. Look for it. Look for the barrel. You sit down and you man me here so nothing and peanut butter and bread. And you give everybody, you give everybody out of the barrel. And me not get, and I saw if you go. And I saw if you go because we are family. You come and go tell me about me can't drink dirty water. So you drink the water, you look like you dirty water.
I'm a
You go tell them to drink your water.
That's so big, man. Let me tell you this. I'm a man full with belly out of it. What happen? Your back skin get no, not true. Alright, what happen? Not drink the dirty water night.
Gotta go deal with your man. Gotta go deal with your man, you know. Gotta go deal with you. And a matter of fact, tomorrow Uncle Ronnie number right now.
God not deal with me, cause guess what? Uncle Ronnie tell me say if you go no none. And a matter of fact, you can't ask me say no number neither.
Can't ask me no number neither. You know what? I go want money.
Which money?
Me I go want money's worth, you know. Me I go want it back. Since as soon as it, me I go want it.
Why?
Best.
Girl in a silent. One second in the silent.
Laugh best.
Go for
And
it
that
in
me
the
they make you know.
silent.
It's alright. It's alright. I bet so now.
Why?
You know one day water got pumpkin belly, you know. You think
Me and my man near me and in the toilet.
Me nah send up, man. Me nah kill up myself.
Me and my man near me and in the
Me nah
toilet.
kill up myself. No worry yourself, man. Money, or show no how no have to bring back my money. What?
Walk where you walk and you can't touch me, you know.
That can't make you know.
Oh.
You have to give me back my money. I get me no worry, like if me the real.
Go your yard, Lana, go your yard and go wash up in dirty plate the way your man they have.
If me, are you need?
Go your yard, Lana.
Them out of your house. Come me me now. You need to go clean out the rush them from out of your house.
How me fi clean out the ratchet them when done you a rat?
And my family them, that's how them a go analyze you.
They cannot analyze
Why
me.
them a go group up in your house and analyze you?
No, they cannot analyze me. You know why?
Listen to India drink.
No, me can't drink
Listen
yo.
to India drink, girl.
How me fi drink
I
yo?
cannot drink because me not.
Miss Ratty?
Me not have no flesh.
Miss Ratty, go home to your man.
And that me dey make you know.
Miss Ratty, go home to your man.
Me, I go suit to no
Me
business.
and my man, your man for
Alright.
you don't talk. I bet you not get none. I bet you not get none, Miss Ratty.
What you go man? Worry yourself. You see me come calm and nice. Eh? Eh? You don't even know what go on right now. Worry yourself. Go on. Hype up yourself. Cas here. Cas.
Girl, you come and saw the other promote for. Ciao.
Girl, you can't come.
I want to this girl.
Cause
You want me, girl?
so we can't believe. Cause I see, remember when you tell me say, you hear say Barry come. And me tell her say, nothing no go so. Hey. The Barry come to show me love. Two of them.
That run joke, yeah, man.
The two of them come.
So I did it, let me tell her, say, Barrel come. The Barrel come and your sister collect you and give it none.
Yeah, girl, but you have to understand, say, me is a girl. I like to see things, to believe. And that's when I remember, say, me not to go up there again because me and mommy fall out from them time there. Understand? But when me take me two years them, I see the barrel them girl nearly drop down. And the girl I go push me out of here like she a bad girl. And I tell her, I tell her, you know what this thing too? You want to see the barrel them, they full up of dirty water. So the water dirty, so she dirty like it. And you know what too? You see man when you have, me used to take out everything out there and give man it.
All I tell
I'm used to some clocks come, some clothes and them they sit there. And the girls quit out and give man almost everything and you see all the food sitting them. Girl.
But the man and a family, now we need to get in we are family.
Exactly. You not get nothing, me not get nothing.
Yeah, true.
And you gonna say I'm there and she a laugh, that's what she a go and
I ain't nothing about it.
I don't do nothing, girl, because you see, and I one day water walk a pumpkin belly and I go and ease myself.
You want me have a plan, you know?
You have a plan? What? Wait. You see, me have an idea to you know, but you go on first.
Yeah, man, massa every morning and evening, man, take through a shortcut, you know.
Through here the same walk?
Yeah, go through this one.
Wait, right against the wall, so?
Yeah, man, right this one.
I see now.
No, we can't do. You can't just friend him up. When you walk through this one, you can't just friend him up and here walk with the barrel.
Like friend him up. Oh, like where would I
Friend up somebody.
friend him man do?
Just friend him up.
Friend him up. Oh.
Try if you take him as a family. Try if you
have to think before you acting so. We can't just expect as we see him. So remember say, we not talk
we have to do it one way.
We have to do it one way. Exactly.
So what you have in mind?
Well, I want to try to get to Uncle and tell him say the girl sell out the 2 barrel and she take the money and use it up and she not look for way and give it no tight. And you have to think to she take the money and use it for she and her man.
That sound good.
Sound good though.
Yeah, man.
But everything before me do in it, understand? When I want to go say me bring up one island and then when I do it turn out bad and me get the physical item so.
You know, so I want good looking youth though.
Good looking, what wait a say?
A good looking youth. Probably that's why she gave me things them.
I mean, whether good looking or good little youth or you want to call it, that don't have nothing to do with me. Anytime I see him, I go work my head on him and find out what really going with them 2 barrel. Oh, we see if he's good looking or him a good little youth.
So you don't know how you look, girl?
No, I don't look.
So you know your sister man look?
Girl, I say, you know, hear me I tell her say, from me and mommy they fall out, I don't go back up then on child.
Oh.
So, I don't know how you look. You understand?
Mm.
So, and I say, how you know your sister, man? Me just never go back up there for, in a space, you know, if she find a next man. But she full of man like how step, we call a bolo step nail.
Weird.
How did they have a chair?
Girl like him.
Hello, just a minute there.
How do you that know my sister-in-law?
Sister-in-law?
They know you, me see one picture in your sister house. Which is my girlfriend.
Okay.
So.
I feel your shoes that?
So blind then I move for shoes, I must my shoes.
I kind of lose my vision still, but I feel shot that too.
You ever see me wear nobody things? You must see me shot.
Oh, backside. Your hair looks so shiny. Like then girl hair too.
Give me hair all. You ever say nobody I give nobody nowadays?
What more ask to say? Your Irish spring done? Your hair are done?
I don't say this me.
Probably done because a couple months now still. So you could have done. Hold on there. Your peanut butter done too.
Oh, so I stop me for insult me or disrespect me. Which one? Me I come me car and go on you. Call up your sister me I go to you know.
What a joke. Alright. Tell her to forget some of the dirty water outside barrel.
You go on here, man.
Girl is good looking though.
Tell us I'm good looking, but I'm not know what the girl that was so fat, poor, such a young, nice you. Look at him, Marga.
Like me say. Like she not feeling good like peanut butter. I wait for it.
Oh, that but I wait for the butter. Wow, I can't manage.
Hey, but I tell her so you know. Me dey vex you me say, get it. Yes, I'm coming in a yard in a bad mood. Just to see man and laugh off and man and make him man, let me just put me in a good mood. You know what nicer?
What that now?
If you put the ice on the cake. Get Uncle Randy number.
Call Susie there. Hello, it is Susie.
Hi, my niece. What's up?
I'm here. How you doing?
You know, I'm here on my first day at work in New York.
You know, say, me do want Ruby number because me I try sort out some things right now.
Moving number, you know I don't want to get in that mix up, but I'll send you an WhatsApp.
Alright then.
Okay, I'll send it to you just now.
Alright, bye bye.
Okay, take care.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you forgot to call the man Ruby. Uncle Ronnie.
Ruby, I'm long time name. I'm pet name that. So that's why she know who me attack. You know was Ronnie, we know it was Ruby.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. So you go send the number. I can't deal with it.
You don't get the pin yet.
No, I'm not get you. They can't wait, girl. Just wait, girl. Just wait. So they get the number. Where you go do? And I think we need a plan, girl. It just come in. It just come in. Just come in.
It dwell to
It just come in.
Are you there drink the water?
Yeah, I want.
Girl.
Me send it to your phone, you know, so. Me send it to your phone.
You send it to my phone?
Mm-hmm.
But me not my phone, girl. I just send me a dwell with it. Let me call him on your phone.
Alright then, that will go do.
Hold on. You know watch down with people. You lie down, never tell her now.
Girl, that easy though.
You send happy?
Mm-hmm. May I wait for your answer.
So why me can't hold the phone?
Girl, I want you to relax and I see something ring. Just see it. See answer. See answer.
Hello? Uncle Ronnie?
Yes, hello. Who am I speaking with?
You're speaking with Lana, your sister daughter. Pam daughter.
Oh, how you doing? How you doing, girl?
I'm doing fine.
Yes, it's so good to hear from you, man.
Yes. And also me call Uncle Ronnie if you tell us something though because this is not right.
Okay.
The two barrels that you sent one for Lana, right? And one for my sister, right? One for me and one for my sister, right?
No. Those two birds are sent it for everybody, right? But your sister, she was the one who told me the items that I should actually buy for you. Because actually, at the time, I didn't have you now. What I did was I have dialogue with your sister, and she told me that she called you, and you told her that she should get Clarks and stuff. So she said decide to have it. So I was wondering why you need Clarks. I don't need some girly stuff. But anyway, I sent the Clarks and a few shirts for you and stuff, some food items, and I sent some stuff for your mom and everybody.
Yeah, Uncle Ronnie. Let me just be plain and straightforward with your uncle.
Yeah.
And tell the truth what God love.
Yeah.
You know, say she sell out everything. And she take the money I use for she and her husband, or I don't know if her husband or is her side piece or what. Or is her boyfriend, but she sell out everything. No, Uncle Ronnie, this is not a joke. She sell out everything. The two barrel them, and she use up the money. She and her boyfriend use up the money.
Oh my God, are you serious?
Yes, Uncle Ronnie. And the peanut where you say, the peanut butter, them where you say I'll send come. So we can eat it with one slice of bread. You girl take it and sell. And the Irish Spring I'm supposed to be and buy with Uncle Ronnie. The girl take it and sell.
Yes, because I sent about 2,000 Irish Spring.
Eh?
My God, I can't believe. No, I said about 2,000.
Uncle Ronnie, and then she tell me, say, you see the two empty barrel left? She tell me, so I must go and drink the dirty water outside. Yeah, because she fully up outside and be a mosquito a swarm around. And she tell me, me for go and drink the dirty water. And me there say, Uncle Ronnie, even though she sell everything, she couldn't give me one little bit of money or she could have say, you know, so then 2 barrel that we can keep them for store because I sell out the things them. But Uncle Ronnie, she dry eye bad.
Listen to me. Listen to me. This is so ridiculous because I spoke the other day. Your sister called me, and I was kind of busy at the time, and she was expressing gratitude. She was actually telling me that the others of family, said to tell me thanks. So I would say that would have included you.
No, Uncle Ronnie, alright, she a tell. No family tell her nothing about to tell you thanks. I like she dey tell.
Boy, so listen what I'm going to do. All right. I'm going to see if I can send another word, but I'm not going to send in her name this time. Right?
Yes, Uncle Ronnie, and when I send in on a barrel, make everything be for me and my cousin.
No, I can't do that. It's going to be for everyone, right? So next time when I send anything, that means I'm going to follow up on it then now.
So Uncle Ronnie, what you mean by it gonna be for yes, it gonna be for everyone, right? But she also gonna get all tight again?
Well, I mean, it would be unfair like, she was the one who said everything the last couple of months, so
Uncle Ronnie, me no want get disrespectful to you. You don't lose it. You don't lose it. Uncle Ronnie, what you mean by it would be unfair? Remember say she unfair.
Hold on. You're talking to your uncle, are you being disrespectful? Huh? I just tell you that I was about to send another barrel. You have faith, with your uncle. Listen to me, man. Listen to me. Go and have some, man. Right? Go and have some, man.
Go on with a barrel.
You do that,
Dirty
girl.
man.
I feel like it's something you're going to face with, man. You know, there's something wrong with you?
Make him take him barrel and
Shut up, man. Can't make no sense.
fooling go with that. Okay?
Would you get the barrel, girl, that you come face to the man? You forgot to your uncle?
You know what the man say?
You forgot to your uncle?
The man say it would be so unfair. You deaf?
Girl, you're
That
not
means
so you know what, you're not fair. You make me lose the barrel.
That means we figure she out tight. You don't know
girl,
me.
we could have tried
You
this.
don't know me. When me call him back and tell him, say, Uncle Ronnie, me can't believe us here. This is because I never you me a talk to. And the man a pass and me I tell the man say, if you might eat that, if he not no sense, you take up for your head, Uncle Ronnie. You don't know me. Oh.
Girl, sometimes
pretender. No, you don't know me. You don't know me. You should be ashamed of yourself as long as you not get one of the Irish from them. Much you say send?
Me no want none. At least.
Who does send?
Imagine things come out, we not get no you think me fi hackle up my body for that. Me not hackle up my body for that. We not get none. I saw it go. Me not hackle up my body. Me not in need of those shit.
You are going. I go check. Let me tell you what I go do. Because you know, you not work with me now. I go do one further investigation. We see what the inner barrel from when I inner it. I go up on my cousin from mountain top. Go link her and see what I go on.
Girl. Nobody come again, no problem.
Yeah.
Come on, come in warm tea.
Go link her.
Yeah, I mean, girl, make him man. Nobody send the barrel. Look how they get the barrel. Mama, if you get us, man. My girl.
Babes. Yeah, me know what you say, walk on check me now. Why me no want come over here? Me soon tell her that, man. When I reach out, I say, just walk on check. Alright. How go and do it?
Oh,
The good.
so when you never come over here?
You know, say, me I come over there look more, but it's a fast mission me upon. I stop to ask her something. The sister see me today, and I throw a word about my clothes and my shoes, so me have on. And I talk about me fi drink dirty water out a barrel. Are you tell her say you give me them?
B, listen. Stick up in. Don't listen to that rat face girl. You don't listen to she no all. As she if you drink the dirty water, me don't cuss her and tell her that. Me don't dealt with fear case already. So you don't worry about that.
It did not bother me, so and that's why I'm saying me have stop by. She see me today and I talk about my clocks and my clothes and me have on.
Alright, you want me? You don't worry about that. Don't deal with that already. Zin?
Alright, so you remember how to do it now. I'm go check Damien, because Damien the work on my phone from one way if he don't fix it and come over come sleep with it tonight.
You hungry?
Yeah, you can cook some food too.
So what you want tonight?
You know you can cook my favorite so nice curry chicken and white rice, some jasmine rice. So now check on the phone man and see if you
No, your pants look so.
how?
Mine, you know.
B, now you give me pants where you know you look.
Ready? Come go to where you come,
Alright.
so you fine. Remember now?
Make sure you come eat food and cook, you know.
Alright, babes.
Yeah.
Well, cook the boss food I know.
Oh, you're such a nice guy.
Thank you. But I make your cousin cost me half a day.
No like that, man. That's what she say.
Oh. Alright. See you later.
Alright.
What's so funny?
Me you say, go tell my sister me I disrespect you.
So, now that exactly what you tell me tell her. I mean, I don't want to disrespect you.
Alright, come on, that's some good time. Come on, son.
That's not good enough, you know.
Right, that's so.
That's it.
You want to cheer ya? Sit down anyways.
Yeah, obviously, I know.
You see, in this lifetime where I live, sometimes things not supposed to go away how you go. You understand? Oh, you know me I come off. I am my sister and things, not me. Right? So, when I go say, anytime I see you, me I go throw out upon you. Like say me a day. Like say me a left, me did day and me a left, so me a dashboard pan you. Or you a pass and dashboard pan me. Anyways, my sister get a barrel, right? A matter of fact, 2 barrel. And me is supposed to get some things out of it and me not get none. You see, even the very clocks up on your foot. She tell me uncle like, say me some more clocks. You understand? And whole heap of things will come in a barrel me supposed to get and me don't get it.
Oh, God, man. So if she really do you that and you and her family, what she would have do to me? Oh God.
Bunny and name you. Anyways, for one nice boy like you, I don't know what you do with my sister. What you do with the cow there? You know, sister, she not good for you. Eh?
But me not see nothing wrong with her.
You know, nothing wrong with her. Eh? Because this is a case. You're just blind in love. She just blind you. And that she did, you know. She's a manipulator. She'll use the things them to catch you. Even the very clerk say, "After me, you know." So Carly say, "Me give it." Even the shirt, yeah. After me. Carly say, "Me give you." So basically, you come like you after me too. I joke, man.
I'm not them to see you next time, man.
I joke, man. But just get the point what me I say. She's not a good person. She cannot get things to give people and she turn on and do what she feel like to do with them. You understand? That is not nice.
So she never tell me say she get them. Cause she'll tell me say she had a barrel for me. And give me shirt and clothes and shoes and so I really family barrel.
She really ordered for you.
Cause me is
She really ordered me things them for you and give it to you.
me they think I want good girl now. Cause she give me nice things, you know. Nice shirt, nice shoes, nice pants.
So you never have it before.
Was straight.
She pick you up from the ground.
No.
And bring you back up.
But I want good man. If you buy a man nice.
She resurrect you back from out of the ground. Eh?
You don't need to
Listen, you not deal with it no way, you know. And my sister, and my blood, and me and her grow, me know how she stay. You know if you tell me how she stay, and me if you tell her how she stay. But you can go on now, you can have a merry day.
She know a star. She really do me this.
What you mean by what she did? I mean she do something. What she do, that is the least. You understand? You get clothes, you get Irish Spring, and you get a peanut butter when I look for most out of a barrel.
You're full of jokes still, you know.
Full of joke. Yeah? But this joke is dead to me. Continue.
Anyway, now go move now.
So, hold on there.
Yeah.
You know, want to give me a number in case she a murder will lick around there. Or she tell like my son I got jail.
And so she stay.
Just give me a number in case I want somebody to bail you. Or I want somebody to doctor you. Just give me a number. I'm putting your number because you don't look too 100 in your head. Yeah.
Alright, later.
Alright, later.
Bye.
Bye. Hello. Yeah, what's up?
Tell everybody now what's up.
Oh, because me think that she start beat out the sense out your head.
You go on, man. You're full of too much joke.
Alright, later.
Alright.
Bye. One little porridge. Look good stills. For yourself, my sister. You must get it back.
Mama girl.
Say hello for the one so.
So?
Eh?
So?
Eh? How are you too?
What that have to do with you?
Eh? You love money, you love man like a doggy, man.
So?
Anyways, me just see look ugly boy up there so.
Which ugly boy?
Eh?
Who that?
Your sister man.
Stop dealing with him, man, sir.
What do you mean by me to stop dealing with the man so?
Cause he not ugly. Awa. You hear your son now?
Yes.
Eh? You sound like one low-minded person. What do you mean by not ugly? That cranny sitting there. Eh? Stop dealing with the boy so the boy don't cry.
So you pick up him,
And
so
your sister cranny.
and your cousin. So you two wanna make one and no cranny too.
Oh, you too.
Yeah, run my bloodstream. Anyways, my mommy tells me I check cousin up a mountain top. Yes. She give me every little details. So here what I go on now. So me carry my phone and now. And I go call Uncle Ronnie and tell him say I want man there pass by way. When I know manners and a trouble me so me dey have it. You know? You hear me I say? I have to use by my head and tell him say him pick up things from here whenever he me attack. You understand? Yeah. So. Hold on there.
May I put that phone up on charge?
Alright, don't take long enough.
You're in a hurry me.
Hurry up! Take so long for answer. Hi, Uncle Ronnie. Good day. Yes, me call to apologize to you about something because me not like how you deal with me on the phone and you hang up. I never you me I talk to you know. Yes, I want madman a pass and he must stuck his nose in my business and he start disrespect me. Yes, Uncle Ronnie. Me have a little call. Yes, me understand. Yes, Uncle, me understand. Say what a fee say you may talk to, but yes, I'm very sorry. Yes, Uncle Ronnie. I mean, if you call back, you know, but through the phone is dead, and then one at a time I realize say it plan up. So Uncle Ronnie, when me did call of him, me call her back for tell her say, you see. Yes, the barrel. Yes, Uncle Ronnie. Yeah. So you go pack the barrel. You see, that's why I have love you, Uncle Ronnie. That's why I have love Uncle Ronnie. He best uncle in the whole wide world. You see me, I tell you. Oh God, what would I do without? That's why I have love you, so you know. Yes, Uncle Ronnie. But you know, says me call about something else. You know, say me. Yes, me I hear it clearly. As on credit, me I beg you. Yes, and Uncle Ronnie, true because I never get to see them for eat or you see them where you send the food stuff now. Uncle Ronnie, about if me ever tell you all I'm not eat no Uncle Ronnie, would I say I lie me I tell. Uncle Ronnie, me mark at home you so. Yes, Uncle Ronnie, when you there, I remember say me did have you wait. I know you don't want to see me, Uncle Ronnie. Yes, Uncle Ronnie. Yes. You go send money for me? How much you send, Uncle Ronnie? You send me 400 for myself? God bless you, Uncle Ronnie. Yes, me I go send the information now. Yeah, Uncle Ronnie. Yes, my cousin say yes. Yes, you look brown on me always. Yes, Uncle Ronnie. Auntie Rendata. Yes, she said, boy, Uncle Ronnie, me don't know if I left everybody look like sufferation that she found them. She said she pick one little thing. Okay, you send her $100. Oh God, Uncle Ronnie, God bless you. That's me I tell her, God bless Uncle Ronnie. Yes. Alright. Yes, me I go send the information now. Alright, take care.
Girl, what kind of style that?
What I know?
So why me I forget the lower?
Yes, the 100 and back for you.
No, you see.
Remember me or collect it. No, listen.
Listen
remember me go collect it. See, you can get $80 out there.
What?
Hello?
Is
Me a taxi fare.
No, I drove
taxi fare go and come back.
Girl,
and plus me I go thirst in. Me I go thirst in.
No 400 I get for yourself.
Hmm?
Yeah, get 400 off yourself, so
No.
why me have to get 100?
Me have plans.
It's a girl.
The 400 of them, me have plans
No,
to do.
that not go work.
So what?
That not go
What?
work.
Am I name it as a 9?
Here.
So you get it?
Girl.
Me take you whole 100 of
I know
them.
that.
You want to see?
But see, alright.
Me go give it because Kaya good girl. Me go give you whole like 100, but just know
100
say.
money?
So you want the whole 400?
Girl, yeah, get 400, that's just 50. Get
Girl,
the
you're right,
rest
you know.
of the tea.
You're right, you know.
Anyway, shut up. What about the barrel?
Yes, girl. Hey.
Wow.
He say more sunny.
I like it. Yeah, when.
Eh?
When.
Girl, remember say when you ship what all on this when you ship it things them.
that.
Run 3 week. 3 week. Put it on 3 week. I have money and I make it reach out on 2 week. But me just put it on 3 week. You understand? Eh. So yes, you know.
Girl, no,
I think what me I think.
When you get it something, we just sell it.
Why barrel?
Yeah, sell it and make profit. So everything will come, we just go sell it and just see me and
You don't have to tell me that. I done plan everything in my head already. Yo, go send him a list.
everything what them want.
And yes, what I know what them really want. And what we want.
Yeah, but
So we want lace wig. We want back some clocks. We want bank crab. You know what them look at something there?
Everything.
Yeah, so we make him pack list. You understand?
Better run over.
Yes. And me know that man say now we pack 2. Cause when me done send him the list there, one side of the list can't hold na 1 barrel or 2 barrel that. You understand?
My favorite thing there, you know. I'm going to put my favorite thing there.
You could ask that girl. I want case of peanut butter I want tea in the night.
Alright,
You could ask, what you are going now? Make we start making list. And then notepad. But guess what happen now? Guess what happen? We have to make it look real. So you start you off by 2 bag of flour, 2 bag of rice. And you know what kind of rice you want?
Jasmine rice.
Yes, girl. Making sense. Basmati.
But it's a new cool, yeah. Girl, it's basmatic.
Girl, Jamaica we there now.
But yeah, new cool, yeah.
But we are ghetto people, so we our
Just
job I cheer. And make we start the list.
sure.
Alright, so spell basmati rice. No. What?
Girl, you know, after something funny.
Alright, fine. You do it. So type in basmati.
Girl,
Where say a word?
I'm gonna make me start charge foolish.
Alright, basmati. Alright. Write that there. And then you're right.
Good evening.
Hello, handsome. Just a minute.
I'm going now.
Can I have a seat, you know? I feel me yard. You know why I'm gonna make you pass.
Oh. So yes, you know, cause I have to make a run go up on the road. Over me I go eat some food and make a run go up on the road because I have to go back to work.
Which way you work?
Tell you the truth still. Is that right me I look?
If you never look work and clean out every day, it's like make a woman of mine. Woman of mine.
You don't worry about that. Now watch my business.
Anyways, the reason I stop you is because I never like how my cousin do with you one day. That did very bad. Because you are a nice youth. See this man in the clothes pin job and help me take care.
Of course I am a nice youth and everybody tell me so now you're first.
Just take a compliment.
You finish?
Can run.
Okay.
Hello, hello, hello. Just a minute, come here.
Yeah, see I know.
See us friend today. Now we're back in my yard.
So you really are doing me this after much years me I walk through you?
Today done. Just go so.
Ah boy, Jaja.
Hello, hello, hello. One more thing. Come here.
The torment team man.
Come here now.
Yeah, see I know.
Take my number, then I can walk back through this. I walk. Alright then. Now walk back to my yard then.
But remember say me and your cousin a deal.
Me care? You see they go take my number or you don't walk back to my yard.
You see through your yard shorter for reach of my yard. Put in. So you say me can go on my yard now?
Yeah, go on.
Alright.
Make sure so you call me. You hear?
Alright.
Hello? Hi, Chucky. You busy? Oh, that's great. Alright, I wanted to meet me by 3 dive. Yeah, right now it's urgent. Just come, man. Me have something to tell you. Yeah, just come, man. Alright. Now wait for you.
What's up?
There. You know me call you out here because more office here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Even though we just a start talk, you really make me feel like I'm that girl, you know? Cause last night when you called me and told me how me beautiful and you know how me feel? Me I say like such a gentleman. He's so nice. You understand? Yeah, so I just call you because me sure you know me miss you, God know.
Alright, we'll look at that house.
Yes, yes. Thank you.
Well,
Oh, see one other one there.
oh, where?
Right there.
Oh.
Yes. Yes. But anyways, I have something for you.
What? What? What you have for me?
So I have $100
Wow.
US.
Wow. Really? Is this for me?
Yes.
You sure? Remember, Tree Dive is a really big top restaurant in Negril. You're willing to pay that bill?
I know, and yes, I am willing. Come on, don't worry, don't stress yourself.
Yeah, let's go there.
You know, I was dreaming of this life so long.
So, you don't feel any way because I'm your sister, man?
Huh?
You don't feel any way because I'm your
Listen, never mind that. Come, let's just go and have some. I understand what you're saying, but we all have to share. Come on. Yes. Oh, look at these grapes. Very surprising to see a rake yard. Anyways, the money I know.
Get the money. Wait, money. Give me right back, give me money now.
Girl,
Wow,
you owe me $20.
who owe you $20? Girl, go on to me yard.
Girl, you owe me $20 because I catch gas in my foot.
What does that have to do?
I want me walk my back and give you money.
Look here.
Give me
Sorry.
rubbish. Give me the money.
Come on to me yard.
Give me the money.
No, it's like girl that's serious. Girl.
Anyways, so what happened?
Nothing. Give me a minute, let me get a call. Hello.
Yeah, tell me what call you.
So I can come for a video call.
So, you have a problem with that?
No, I don't have a problem with that.
Do you have a problem with that?
No.
So I call and call you now. I'm walking.
You can't walk treat the whole time. You can't walk treat the whole time. Forever. Uh-huh. Ah.
The voice is sound familiar.
No voice by my phone can sound familiar to you.
And my sister my help on phone with?
No. No.
Anybody know?
You deaf?
See, you think me deaf?
Seems
You
like.
think me blind?
Seems like.
Eh?
Yep.
Like you look confused and lash by your fool, you know.
I look like you lose so
Hey, me I tell you.
head that fool you.
I look like you lie so me your head a scratch too much because me have sense and me not deaf and me not blind.
Girl, I can't believe you right now.
So wait man, when you call up
What
for?
have to do with you?
When you call up on video call for?
How would that concern you?
Eh? And when mean by if he can walk to your yard now, what kind of I tell him say anytime, what kind of something this? What this?
That not concern you. Look here. You would say you want my number because it dog and the Lego what there. So that's why you want my number. So when he come, you can call me and I can make you know.
Hey! Why? Comedy band back a cow. But anyways, that not sound like say
I know dog him I tell about. If I did dog him, can tell about that's the only dog them.
Yeah, you're right now.
So you know what? I'm gonna take my leave I know.
Yeah, go on. Thanks for the money.
You see, we don't know people. Eh? You see, we don't look a girl. We don't love already done too much. We don't love when the girl take care of them man and spend on them because we don't want to spend on phone one. But what's sweet, nothing go out of run in belly. Watch what happen to you.
Just like what happened to you and your sister. You don't see your sister, do you? Eh? You don't see your sister, do you? So nothing wrong with you to have my number.
Yes, she do my bad, yes. But that not say for you take her man now. Eh? It's alright. Later.
Go on.
Hi there. That's why I have to know, say. Don't come back on over the call again.
Then no use me to call you, and if me no call you, me no fall back to your yard.
That's something in voice call.
Oh, never know. You have something to hide.
Just not come on over the call again. Anyways, I might saw lay with stills and stills because you're not going to make no stopping on me yard. Like, you have to make a stopping on my house, you see me?
Me. So why me have to make a stop in your house?
Because you have to make a stopping on my house. You have a problem with that? You have a problem with that?
Kinda, but you see, through more walk to your yard continuously. I think, yeah.
Anyways. Come on.
You sure about this?
Stop your eyes and come on. Come on now.
Hello.
Yeah, dude.
Dirty thinking, Chucky, your face, I mean, want you. You know, listen to me. You hear me?
Yeah.
Me I go want me $100 me give you. Me I go want it back, and if you not carry, come give me. Me I go walk and spread your name on the road. See you come borrow $100 from me and you want give me back all now. You think me the want you? Eh? You think me the want you? Dirty thinking, Chucky, you think me really want you? I test for my sister.
So I turned them, say all of this was a prank.
You never know. You never know. Carry me $100 come give me. Me want it back.
What's the meet you?
Meet me out of Brina yard there so. And when me tell her something, you feel so me don't know say you call girl upon phone. Eh? You think me don't say I call my cousin. I have a great mind. Tell me sister dirty Chucky. You see a red and dirty drunk you come meet me just now with my $100 and maybe hey, I have to wait here. I have to wait too long. I'm done chat. Oh, come on for this drunk crow.
so fast. You didn't even make me reach good.
Naughty boy, me not care if I want to reach good or what. Just give me my money, give me my money. Oh,
Yo, you hear me I tell you? You hear me I tell you? Yo, just hold this.
Oh, me box I think it. Oh, you don't know me now? You don't know me now?
You feel this can better off my life?
Me say I feel say my sister this I deal with. Give me
Hold
money.
that to man.
Give me money.
Damn it, right off
You
face.
fool. Eh?
Take up
And
that.
money so where they are run down.
You
come
feel
on,
that
come on,
can not
come give me. Eh? Lift up from yourself.
You damn it, right.
Lift up
Come and
from
call
yourself.
on my phone over $100.
$100 US.
$15,000 money.
You're not getting none of baby. Me tell you, if you care about my money come and it burn you. That's you want to come chase me. I'm warm about my steam fish where you can eat on a tree dive.
You know my belly.
Sit down there and let you out.
That's how it was.
Sit down there and let you out, dirty dog. Go on where you go.
I feel my fish
The one
bone.
that can come, you're lucky. That's how you
I
juke
feel my
yourself.
bone when I
That's
fish.
how you juke up your face. You see
Boy, I told me I want to.
juke you all. You know see your face like a juke you all.
Boy.
Your face juke up. Come here, juke up your face.
Your sister better girl for you.
Crow. You're not giving $100.
You think your sister ever give me nothing and take it back? Your
Hey,
sister
boy.
better girl for you. Boy.
Clocks on my shirt and my pants so you have on enough. Dirty boy.
Alright, miss take it back.
Maggy Films.
Maggy.